and next one is synchronous down counter. Here we are using the 3 bits. Okay, first find out the number of bits. Here number of bits equal to number of flip-flops. Okay, here number of bits are 3. So we are using the 3 flip-flops. Okay, it is also known as mod 8 counter. Okay, this is also known as mod 8 down counter. Okay, and next see the, this is the first step. Next see the state diagram. In state diagram we are using the down counter. Okay, here number of states equal to 8. Number of states equal to 8, that is 2 power of n. Here n is 2 cube, so 8 states. Okay, 0 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Here by using the down counter. Okay, this is the down counter. Okay, 0 state is downs, this is the present state, and this is the next state. Okay, this is down counter, and this one, and this one, and next state here, and next state here. This is the down counter state diagram. Okay, and next see the excitation table, choice of excitation table. Here we are using the JK. So excitation table for JK. This is Qn plus 1 JK. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 XX 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 1 0. Okay, XX 1 0. This is excitation table for JK flip flop. And see the required excitation table. Required excitation table. Okay, first one is the present state. Here the present states are Q3, Q2 and Q1. And next state n dot s is also Q3, Q2, Q1. Here outputs are, how many flip flops you are using? 3. So J3 K3, J2 K2, J1 K1. Okay, here present state is Q3, Q2, Q1. Okay, here present state is zeros. Here we are using the down counter. Okay, in down counter present state is 0 and next state is 1. And here this is the present state. The present state is 1s and next state is 110. And here present state is 6 and next state is 5. And present state is 5 and next state is 4. Okay, and next present state is 4 and first write down the all present states. 4 3 2 1. Okay, 0 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, and next present state is 4 and next state is 3. Present state is 3, next state is 2. present state is 2, next state is 1. Present state is 1, next state is 0. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here the outputs are J3, K3, J2, K2, J1, K1. Okay, here J3, K3 outputs, observe the Q3 present state, Q3 next state. Both are 0, 1. In 0, 1, outputs are 1x and 1, 1. Output is x0 and 1, 1 again x0 and again 1, 1 x0 and 0, 1, 0 x1 and 0, 0 0x again 0, 0 0x and 0, 0 0x. Okay, this is the J3 K3 outputs and observe J2 K2 outputs. Observe the Q2 present state and Q2 next state. Okay, 0, 1 0, 1 1x and next 1, 1 1, 1 x0 and 1, 0 1, 0 x1 next 0, 0 0x and next 0, 1 1x and 1, 1 x0 next 1, 0 x1 next 0, 0 0x. Okay, and next J1 K1 output. Observe Q1 Q1 present state Q1 next state Q1 0, 1 1x and 1, 0 x1 and 0, 1 1x 1, 0 x1 0, 1 1x 1, 0 x1 0, 1 1x 1, 0 x1. This is the required excitation table. And next fourth step is minimal the expression. Okay, first find out the by using K-map and find out the Boolean expression. Okay, first K-map for J3 output. Here the inputs are Q2 Q1 Q1 Q2 Q3. Okay, this is 3 inputs, so draw the 8 cell K-map structure 1 2 3. Okay, this is Q2 Q3 Q1. This is Q2 bar Q1 bar Q2 Q2 bar Q1 Q2 Q1 Q2 Q1 bar. Okay, this is Q3 bar and this is Q3 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, observe J3 outputs. The map for J3. Observe J3 outputs. 0 cell is X 1 and 7th cell is X and 6th cell is X, 5th cell is X, 4th cell is X, 3rd cell is 0, 2nd cell is also 0 and 1 cell is also 0. Okay, here the grouping is 0 and 4. This output is Q2 bar, Q1 bar. Then finally J3 equal to Q2 bar, Q1 bar. Okay, and next K-map for K3. K3 outputs. Here 0 cell is X and 7th cell is 0 and 6th cell is 0, 5th cell is 0, 4th cell is 1, 3rd cell is X, 2nd cell is X and first cell is X. Here the grouping is these both. Okay, in this the equation is this one also Q2 bar, Q1 bar and finally K3 equal to Q2 bar, Q1 bar. Okay, and next K-map for K-map for J2. Here also 8 cell K-map structure. Observe these outputs. 0 cell is 1, 7th cell is X, and 6th cell is X, 5th cell is 0, 4th cell is 1, 3rd cell is X, 3rd cell is X, 2nd cell is also X, 1 cell is 0. Here the grouping is these both 4 cells grouping, 0 and 4 and 2 and 6. In both the equation is this is Q2 bar and Q1 bar, and this is Q2 and Q1 bar, Q2 bar, Q1 bar. In both common variable is Q1. Okay, finally J2 equal to Q1. Okay, and next K-map for K2. Okay, here also 8 cell K-map structure. In this 0 cell is X, and 7th cell is 0, 6th cell is 1, 5th cell is X, 4th cell is X, 3rd cell is 0, and 2nd cell is 1, and 1st cell is X. Here the grouping is these 4 cells grouping. In this the common variable is here also this is Q2 bar, Q1 bar. This is Q2, Q1 bar. Here bar is indicates. Okay. And next this one also Q2 bar, Q1 bar, Q2, Q1 bar. This one also Q1 bar. Then finally K2 equal to Q1 bar. Okay, and next find out the J1, K1. Observe these outputs 1x, x1, 1x, x1. This is repeated. So finally J1 equal to K1 equal to 1. Okay. We are grouping the 8 cells grouping. So 1, J1 is 1 and K1 is also 1. In this given problem we are using the 3 flip-flop. So draw the logic diagram. In logic diagram we are using the 3 flip-flops. First flip-flop is considering LSB bit, and this is the MSB bit. Last flip-flop is considering MSB bit flip-flop. This is flip-flop 1, flip-flop 2, and this is flip-flop 3. Okay, this is synchronous counter. So we are using the same clock pulse. C dot P indicates the same clock pulse. In synchronous we are using the same clock pulse. Okay. In this is LSB bit, that is J1, K1, Q1, Q1 bar, J2, K2, Q2, Q2 bar, and this is J3, K3, Q3, Q3 bar. Okay. Q3 bar. In this J1, K1, in both are connected the logic 1. Okay, and next J2 K2. In J2 K2 outputs, both are connected to the Q1 bar. So Q1 bar is connected to the J2 and K2. And next J3 K3. J3 K3 outputs are Q2 bar and Q1 bar. In both AND gate is there. So Q1 bar and Q2 bar. In both AND gate is there. So draw the AND gate and this output is connected to the J3 and K3. Okay, this is the logic diagram for synchronous down counter. J1 K1 are 1 and J2 K2 outputs are Q1 bar connection line, and next J3 K3 are Q2 bar and Q1 bar. In both AND gate is draw the AND gate. Okay, this is overall about the synchronous down counter.